Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. See, rhinoplasty is one of the very common and popular surgeries in cosmetic surgery. Now, there are a lot of questions in patients' mind, and they want to know why there is so much variation in the cost of rhinoplasty. Now, I want to tell them the cost may vary from patient to patient, from hospital to hospital, and doctor to doctor. It is as simple as that. And why so? Now, the next question comes. So, I'll tell you. If a patient has got a very simple problem, like they just want me to narrow the nostril, so we can do it in maybe half an hour or 40 minutes under local anesthesia, no admission required, so it will be very cheap. If they have got tip work along with this, so the time consumed is slightly more, still we can do it under local anesthesia, so the price may increase slightly. Now if you have got a bony hum, or the bones are to be narrowed, or there is a septum which is deviated, see, so then we have to give you general anesthesia. General anesthesia means we have to make you unconscious. Now if we are making you unconscious, it means the anesthetist is also to be involved. Anesthesia medicines are also to be given to you naturally, and the anesthesia medicines are expensive. Anesthetist will charge his fees, and then we have to keep you under observation. We have to keep you admitted in hospital for say 12 to 24 hours. We have to observe you. Now then the room cost will also increase. So it depends, as I said, patient to patient. So what type of lesion you have got? What type of problem is there? What are the challenges with your nose? And how much time will your nose take to become as beautiful as possible? So all these things are to be considered, and accordingly the prices increase. So I hope you understand this thing. Now second thing is, it may vary from hospital to hospital. Definitely. See, every hospital has got categories, whether it is general ward. If you are admitted in general ward, you have to pay a certain amount. If you say no, I want sharing room, price will increase. If you say no, I want a single room to be admitted, prices will still further naturally, because the hospital has to charge you accordingly. So now that is one thing. Second thing is, if you want a nursing home charges will be less. If you say I want to be operated in a corporate hospital, because I go to different hospitals, so now if they want to be admitted in a corporate hospital, then charges are definitely higher, because corporate setup is different, corporate culture is different, and they will definitely charge you accordingly, because they are providing you that much service. So if you want to avail some service, say like in 5-star hotels, so naturally you have to pay for that. Nothing comes free. You must understand that. And thirdly, the charge may vary from doctor to doctor. See, it just depends whether I am a young doctor who is entered practice. Definitely I will charge less, because I want more patients to get experience. If I am a senior doctor, experienced doctor operating for so many years, then charges will be definitely more, because an experienced doctor will definitely charge you more, because he knows what quality he is giving you for your nose surgery. So surgeon to surgeon again. And if that surgeon is operating in a corporate hospital, then surgeon fee is decided by the corporate hospital, not by the surgeon himself. But if he is operating in a semi-paying room of a corporate hospital, charges are different. So there are certain categories. So the cost of rhinoplasty will vary on these factors. So what are these factors? I will again remind you: patient to patient, type of lesion, doctor to doctor, and hospital to hospital. So these are the multiple factors which decide how much money you will end up paying for your rhinoplasty. But I always look at the goal. I always say, you go for the best nose, you go for the best surgeon, and little bit more money if you have to pay, I think it is still a good bargain, because recently I operated on patient. I think I posted the video also, where he had undergone two rhinoplasty surgeries, and which failed, not only failed, but they created some deformity in the nose, and then somebody referred, some doctor referred him to me, and then that was a third surgery, tertiary rhinoplasty I had to do. It is very, very difficult surgery. And with God's grace, the patient was very happy with the result, and I shared that result also in my previous videos. So these are the factors which will decide how much you will pay. And one of my patients also had recently questioned that, doctor, you talk about the room rent, naturally you are not going to operate on the roads. And I agree with him, I am not going to operate on the road. I have to go to a hospital where I have got a good modular operation theatre with hygiene, and if I am doing under general anesthesia, naturally he has to be admitted, he has to get a good nursing care also. So these are multiple factors which are going to decide ultimate cost which you have to pay. So I hope I am able to clear most of these questions which might be arising in your mind, but still, if any question pops up, please feel free to contact our team. We will be very happy to answer any of your questions. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much.